She likes you. She keeps hanging around here.
Yeah, she's a good cat.
Yeah, my other one, she also is, but she's just shy.
All right, this install's done. Double vanity here. Just gonna clean up. It's a nice set here. It's a Delta. New drain it comes with, the lines. Check for leaks, obviously. Everything looks good. I'm just gonna clean up and we'll be set. Stay tuned. Okay, we're finished here. 2 faucets, double vanity, came out nice. One thing to remember, clean the area when you're finished. Don't leave it a mess. Put your stuff, throw it in the boxes the new faucets come with, and then take it out to the garbage. This way the customer doesn't have to come in and find a mess. And clean underneath here, okay? That's it. Make sure you have no leaks. Make sure everything is operating properly. That's it. Your basic bathroom faucet install.